In this video, I will show you how to insert a video into Excel. Here are the steps. First, select the location where you want to insert the video. Next, go to the Insert tab on the toolbar and select Object. In some versions, click on Text and then choose Object. A dialog box titled Object will appear. Select Create from File, then click Browse to choose your video file. Tick the box for Display as Icon. You can also change the icon by clicking Change Icon. Finally, click OK to complete the process. Now the video has been inserted, but in Excel, it will only appear as a folder icon. To watch the video, you need to click on it to open it. Thank you for watching until the end of the video. If you found today's guide helpful, don't forget to hit like to support the channel and subscribe so you don't miss out on our latest and most exciting videos. If you have any questions related to today's content, feel free to leave a comment below or send us an email at contact.dailyhowto@gmail.com. Thank you so much, and we'll see you in the next video.